Welcome to our video on understanding the Marginal Standing Facility, or MSF. The MSF is a critical tool used by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, to manage liquidity within the banking system. It helps banks address short-term cash mismatches, offering a reliable avenue for overnight lending directly from the RBI. This ensures banks can meet their immediate funding requirements, promoting financial stability. So, what exactly is the Marginal Standing Facility? The MSF is a specific facility provided by the RBI that allows banks to borrow funds on an overnight basis to manage unanticipated liquidity shortages. This facility operates outside the Liquidity Adjustment Facility (LAF) framework, meaning banks can access MSF even after exhausting their LAF repo limits, offering additional flexibility. Now, let's understand how the MSF works. Banks pledge government securities, GSECs, as collateral to secure the overnight loan from the RBI. This ensures a secure transaction. The MSF rate is typically higher than the LAF repo rate, often by plus 0.25% or more. This higher rate discourages frequent MSF usage. The minimum borrowing amount is usually 1 crore Indian rupees and in multiples thereof, ensuring banks borrow substantial amounts when using the facility. The primary purpose of the MSF is to provide a safety valve for the banking system. It offers a last resort during liquidity crises to prevent systemic failures. The MSF helps manage unexpected cash flow imbalances, ensuring banks can meet their obligations even during volatile periods. It also ensures the smooth functioning of payment systems, preventing disruptions in interbank transactions and maintaining public trust. Now, let's compare the MSF with the LAF repo. The MSF rate is higher than the LAF repo rate, making it more expensive for banks to use. MSF is used for emergency liquidity, while LAF is for day-to-day liquidity management. Banks can access MSF after exhausting their LAF limits, making it a secondary option. LAF is the primary liquidity tool, but MSF provides additional flexibility during times of need. The MSF rate serves as a policy tool for the RBI. A higher MSF rate indicates a tighter monetary policy, aiming to control inflation. The RBI uses the MSF rate to signal its monetary policy stance to the market. Conversely, a lower MSF rate indicates a more accommodative stance, promoting economic growth. The MSF has a significant impact on the banking system. It provides stability during periods of market volatility, ensuring banks can continue operations smoothly. It prevents disruption of interbank lending markets, maintaining confidence and liquidity among institutions. Additionally, MSF acts as a deterrent against excessive risk-taking by banks, promoting responsible lending practices. In conclusion, the MSF is a critical instrument for maintaining financial stability, preventing systemic risks within the banking sector. It effectively complements the LAF repo in managing liquidity, providing additional flexibility and control. The MSF significantly influences short-term interest rates and overall monetary policy, impacting economic activity. It is essential for the smooth operation of the Indian banking system, ensuring efficient and reliable financial services. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.